following is a step-by-step guide to applying for a SuitsMe account. Before you get started, you will need the following 3 things. An accepted ID document, such as a passport, full UK driving licence or national ID card, a UK address, and to be aged 18 or over. First, visit suitsmecard.com/apply to start your application today. Fill out your title, first name and surname. Now enter your email address. From here you can view our 3 account types and choose the one that is most suited to your needs. Once you have decided, click Next Step. Enter the country code of your mobile phone number and the full number in the box specified. Next, search for your address by the postcode, or you can click Enter your address manually to input this line by line. Once you've found your address, click Next Step. Enter your date of birth using the drop-down menu, remembering that you need to be aged 18 or over to apply for an account. Choose your nationality and your preferred language, and click Next Step. The next step is to go through the ID verification process. First of all, you'll need to read the SuitsMe terms and conditions in detail and the privacy policy. Once you've done this and you're happy, click I understand and agree. You'll then need to opt in to receive emails about your SuitsMe account, and also opt in to our Who You terms and conditions and privacy policy. This is our third-party ID verification provider. Once you are happy with all of this, click Accept and submit your application. Next, we move on to the ID verification process. Click Continue to verify identity. You can now choose your cookie preferences for Who You and click Confirm. You will need to opt in to allow location tracking. And now you will proceed with the liveness check. To do this, you will need to click Continue and allow access to your camera, and then click Start. Place your nose on the dot and follow the instructions on screen. Once this is complete, the system will process the results. It will now take a short moment to analyse the data before moving to the next step. Once this is complete, click Add an ID document. You can choose from either passport or driving licence. If you choose driving licence, you will need to take a photo of the front and back, ensuring that the picture is clear. Once you've ensured that it's clear and all the details are visible, click Submit. While this is processing, you can now choose to be notified when this is complete by ticking your phone number and email address, and the system will notify you once this is done. Congratulations, your application is submitted. Check your email to see if this has been accepted.